Okay, esteemed audience, let us embark on an enlightening exploration of a vital, yet frequently neglected aspect of our well-being, the nervous system. It is the intricate command center of our bodies, a complex network of nerves and neurons responsible for everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and sensations. To maintain its optimal function, and thereby enhance our overall health outlook, we must provide it with the essential building blocks it requires. This discourse will illuminate the crucial vitamins and nutrients that serve as the very bedrock of a resilient and high-performing nervous system. Prepare to uncover some perhaps lesser-known champions of neural health. In our relentless pursuit of physical improvement, the intricate web of our nervous system often remains in the shadows. We meticulously track macronutrients for muscle growth or calorie deficits for weight management, yet the specific dietary components that nourish our nerves and neurons can be overlooked. This oversight is significant, as a well-nourished nervous system is fundamental to cognitive function, emotional stability, and physical coordination. Let us now delve into the specific micronutrients that play pivotal roles. Fish oil and omega-3. Fatty acids, the dynamic duo for nerve repair. First and foremost, let us consider fish oil. Esteemed for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, fish oil is a formidable ally in repairing damaged nerves and alleviating symptoms associated with neuropathy. Its efficacy extends to providing relief from muscle pain and soreness, common complaints that can have neurological underpinnings. While generally considered safe at dosages around 1,000 milligrams per day, it is, as always, prudent to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Intrinsic to the benefits of fish oil is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, which our bodies cannot synthesize independently, must be acquired through diet or supplementation. Beyond their well-documented cardiovascular benefits, omega-3s are instrumental in nervous system health. Compelling studies indicate their capacity to facilitate nerve damage repair following injury. Furthermore, individuals with diabetic neuropathy may find them particularly beneficial. Research has demonstrated that increased omega-3 intake can ameliorate nerve damage in the eyes of those with type 1 diabetes. For those disinclined towards fish, excellent alternative sources include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin's neurological embrace. Next, we turn our attention to vitamin D. While renowned for its role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, its influence on the nervous system is profound. A deficiency in vitamin D has been correlated with an elevated risk for various neurological diseases, including schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, and multiple sclerosis, MS. Indeed, research suggests that individuals already manifesting symptoms of MS may experience a reduction in symptom severity when their vitamin D levels are adequate. Our bodies can synthesize vitamin D through sun exposure, or it can be obtained from dietary sources such as salmon, tuna, fortified milk, eggs, and mushrooms. Calcium. Beyond bones, a neural communicator. Speaking of calcium absorption, calcium itself is next on our list. While inextricably linked with skeletal health, this mineral is also a cornerstone of nervous system support. Calcium plays a critical role in the very formation of brain cells and is integral to establishing the communication pathways to other parts of the body. This function is paramount, as calcium aids in the repair and rebuilding of damaged nerve cells. While dairy products are a common source, many individuals seek healthier alternatives. These include dark green leafy vegetables, chia seeds, lentils, and almonds, all of which provide substantial calcium. Magnesium, the neuropathy mitigator. Let us proceed to magnesium. Intriguing research has indicated that individuals consuming higher levels of magnesium through their diet are less prone to experiencing the adverse effects associated with neuropathy. Although further investigation is warranted, these preliminary findings are decidedly promising. To bolster your magnesium intake, consider incorporating nuts, avocados, spinach, whole grains, And, for a delightful indulgence, dark chocolate into your diet. Vitamin B12, the nerve cell guardian. The discussion of neural health would be incomplete without vitamin B12. Often celebrated as an energy enhancer, its benefits for nerve integrity are equally significant. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the synthesis of DNA, a process vital for maintaining the health of nerve cells. A deficiency in this essential vitamin can precipitate neurological issues, such as numbness and tingling in the extremities. Other indicators of B12 deficiency include fatigue, difficulty walking, and paresthesia, tingling, in the hands, feet, or legs. Fortunately, many common foods, including meat, fish, milk, cheese, and eggs, are naturally rich in vitamin B12. Vitamin B6, the neurotransmitter architect. Another indispensable B vitamin is vitamin B6. This vital nutrient, which must be obtained exogenously, plays a key role in the formation of neurotransmitters. These chemical messengers, originating from nerve cells, are responsible for transmitting crucial signals throughout the body. Furthermore, vitamin B6 contributes to the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath that encases nerve cells. Consequently, adequate intake is indispensable for healthy nerve function. Rich sources of vitamin B6 include chickpeas, bananas, fortified breakfast cereals, salmon, chicken, and rice. Acetyl-L-Carnitine, the energy producer and pain reducer. We now consider acetyl-L-Carnitine, ALCAR. This naturally occurring amino acid derivative assists our bodies in energy production. Crucially, for our purposes, it has demonstrated efficacy in ameliorating symptoms for individuals with neuropathy. One notable study found that ALCAR helped reduce pain in people afflicted with diabetic neuropathy and carpal tunnel syndrome. While our bodies produce it, dietary sources include cod, chicken, beef, whole wheat bread, and asparagus. Curcumin, the anti-inflammatory neuroprotector. It is imperative that we include curcumin, the principal active compound in turmeric. This vibrant spice, a member of the ginger family, is lauded for its profound anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin also appears to confer significant benefits upon the nervous system. Studies have revealed that several of its components possess neuroprotective qualities and can be advantageous for those with diabetic neuropathy. While more extensive research is ongoing, the initial evidence is highly encouraging. Alpha-Lipoic Acid, ALA, the antioxidant shield. Finally, let us examine alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. This potent antioxidant compound has shown promise in managing glucose levels in individuals with metabolic syndrome. Regarding the nervous system, ALA has demonstrated benefits for those with multiple sclerosis, a chronic condition characterized by damage to the myelin sheath. Moreover, ALA can work to alleviate pain, numbness, and tingling sensations often associated with diabetic neuropathy. To increase your ALA intake, consider incorporating spinach, broccoli, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets into your dietary regimen. Conclusion: proactive nourishment for a thriving nervous system. In summation, the health of our nervous system is not a passive state, but one that requires active, conscious nourishment. The vitamins and nutrients discussed, from the omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil to the antioxidant power of alpha-lipoic acid, each play a unique and vital role in maintaining nerve integrity, facilitating communication, and protecting against neurological decline. By understanding their importance and incorporating rich food sources or, where appropriate and under medical guidance, supplementation, we can take significant strides towards fortifying this critical system. Remember, while this information is intended to be educational, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your physician or a qualified healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or beginning a new supplement regimen, as they can provide guidance tailored to your individual health status and needs. Your nervous system is your body's command center. Treat it with the respect and nourishment it profoundly deserves.